Want to know how to restore defaults or restore all of your settings to defaults in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game. So once you run that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, just simply head towards settings. That's simply on the bottom left side right here. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have your settings here, you should be seeing restore defaults on every tab. So you can just simply select restore defaults right here and now simply confirm and it should be good to go. You can do this with all, maybe audio, gameplay and language. As you can see, restore defaults is on the bottom right side. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.